The electromagnetic nature of the human body is a complex and fascinating subject that bridges biology, physics, and medicine. At its core, it refers to how the body generates, uses, and is influenced by electrical and magnetic fields. Electrical activity in the body. The human body is fundamentally electrical in nature. Our cells communicate via electrochemical signals, and this is especially critical in A. The nervous system. Neurons transmit signals through action potentials, which are rapid changes in electrical voltage across their membranes. These signals travel along nerves and allow the brain to communicate with the body almost instantaneously. The heart. The heart has its own electrical system, starting from the sinoatrial node, which acts as a natural pacemaker. This electrical activity can be measured as an electrocardiogram, ECG. The muscles. Muscle contractions are triggered by electrical signals, and the electrical activity of muscles can be recorded as an electromyogram, EMG. 2. Bioelectric fields. The body generates bioelectric fields, subtle electrical patterns created by organs and cellular activity. These can be detected from outside the body using sensitive instruments. EEG, electroencephalogram, measures brainwave activity. ECG measures heart rhythms. MEG, magnetoencephalography, captures the magnetic fields produced by neuronal activity. These fields are dynamic and reflect health, mood, attention, and consciousness. Biomagnetism and the body's magnetic fields. Where there is electricity, there is magnetism. The body's electrical activity naturally gives rise to magnetic fields, albeit very faint. These are studied in magnetocardiography, MCG, magnetic counterpart to ECG. Magnetoencephalography, MEG, studies magnetic brain activity. These fields are so subtle that detecting them often requires magnetically shielded rooms and highly sensitive instruments like SQUIDs, superconducting quantum interference devices. 4. Resonance and external electromagnetic influence. The body is also influenced by external electromagnetic fields, such as sunlight, critical for circadian rhythms and vitamin D production. EMS from devices, under study for their potential biological impacts. Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, PEMF, used in medicine to promote healing of bones and tissues. Transcranial magnetic stimulation, TMS, a non-invasive method used to stimulate brain activity in cases of depression or neurological dysfunction. The body also has natural resonant frequencies, such as the Schumann resonance, a global electromagnetic resonance, that some speculate may influence human health, though this remains controversial. 5. Bioelectromagnetism in health. The study of the body's electromagnetic nature is central to bioelectromagnetism, a field that explores how biological systems interact with electric and magnetic fields. This is being applied in diagnostics, e.g. ECG, EEG, MRI, therapies, e.g. TENS units, MEF, research into consciousness, energy medicine, and alternative healing. Relating the electromagnetic nature of the human body to the concept of the human body as an energy field bridges science with philosophical, spiritual, and holistic views of human existence. While the scientific model grounds itself in measurable electric and magnetic phenomena, the energy field concept extends to the experiential, subtle, and integrative dimensions of being. 1. The body as a bioelectromagnetic field. At a fundamental level, the body can be viewed as a living energy system. Every cell generates voltage, tissues create currents, and the sum total of this dynamic electrical activity gives rise to an electromagnetic field, EMF, that extends beyond the physical body. Scientific instruments like EEGs, ECGs, and MEGs already map parts of this field. These are not just byproducts of life, they're integral to its regulation. Your heart's EMF, for instance, is measurable several feet from the body and changes with emotional and mental states. The HeartMath Institute has explored this in depth, linking heart coherence with emotional well-being. 2. Subtle energy systems. Across cultures and traditions, the body has long been understood not just as a machine, but as a field of energy and motion. In Chinese medicine, this is qi, which flows along meridians. In Ayurveda, it's prana, carried through nadis and concentrated in chakras. In Western esoteric traditions, it is the aura or etheric body. While these systems cannot be measured directly by current scientific instruments, they map surprisingly well onto nerve plexuses, endocrine glands, and electromagnetic phenomena. Resonance, coherence, and health. From a field perspective, health is coherence in the body's electromagnetic and subtle energy fields, while disease can be seen as energetic dissonance or blockage. This perspective underlies Reiki, Qigong, and energy medicine, which seek to balance or enhance the body's energy, bioresonance therapy, and PEMF therapy, which attempt to restore coherence to bodily fields. The idea that thoughts and emotions, also forms of energy, can affect the body's vibrational state. 4. Consciousness as field. Some emerging theories, like those proposed by biophysicists and consciousness researchers, e.g. Rupert Sheldrake's morphic fields or Federico Fagin's quantum consciousness, suggest that consciousness itself may not arise solely from neurons, but might be non-local, shaped by or interacting with a universal field. The human body, then, is not just generating an energy field, it is embedded in and responsive to a larger one. This allows for models of intuition, distant healing, or synchronicity that go beyond mechanistic explanations. 5. A holistic synthesis. Seeing the human body as an energy field doesn't deny biology, it expands it. It acknowledges the measurable EM field created by cells and organs, the subtle, energetic experiences described in healing traditions, the interconnectedness of the body with its environment, magnetic, emotional, cosmic. As Nikola Tesla hinted, if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration.